opinion, the biggest misconception about supply chain management is everybody always thinks it is about driving a truck, and it is so much more. My motto that I've used in class is if you have it, we brought it. So it's all of those jobs along the way, from suppliers right to getting it to the retail store or getting it directly to your home. I would recommend this program over other programs. First, because of our faculty. They have a lot of expertise, they have a lot of connections, and they're very passionate about this sector. The second reason is because of the vast number of jobs that this career field opens up to you. And third, because of the success of our recent graduates.
The top 3 reasons for choosing a course at St. Lawrence College is that the experience of our faculty is immense and they bring in a lot of value to the students. Second would be that you have a sense of belonging at St. Lawrence College. And finally, I would say is the number of career opportunities that is presented through the supply chain management program, especially in Cornwall, is immense.
As I was saying, there are a vast number of jobs. So there are jobs ranging anywhere from procurement to manufacturing, production, suppliers. There are jobs in the distribution center, shipping, receiving, storage, quality assurance, safety, all the jobs that go in the transportation side of it, from dispatch to routing specialists, as is Aaron, and of course team leads, operation manager positions are just to name a few.
So in a typical day at the routing office, we optimize routes, create various reports, monitor and communicate with 3PL carriers, and also analyze data which helps us make better decisions in the future.
We strive to stay current by having program advisory committee meetings, which is made up of various groups of local employers who tell us the skills that they need for today and what future skills they will need our graduates to have. The other thing that we are doing is we are working through the Professional Designation Accreditation Program with both CITT and SCMAO to help our students get pathways to get their professional designation.
Don't miss a chance to be part of something special. Explore our supply chain management program.